Hello, it's Jay here again and welcome to another video. So in this lesson we're going to pick up exactly where we left off in the last video, where we got these if statements into the player strike scripts. Now we need to do the same for the opponent. So as you can see, I've got all the player ones and all the opponent ones open. So if you need to, pause the video and open up all these scripts and we'll quickly run through. So I'm beginning with the player punch right script. Let's copy that and we'll paste it into the opponent punch right. And then we just need to swap out the variable. And let's just go through and tidy everything up. And of course we need to change this to opponent, and here also. Let's just tidy everything up as we go. Now we'll come to the player punch left script. Let's copy that into the opponent. And we've just got to do the same thing for all the other scripts now. And again, we'll just tidy everything up as we go. Remembering, of course, to change player to opponent. And the low kick, obviously we have a little bit more code in the kick scripts, so again, we'll just swap out the variables. And we also need to change which script we're enabling and disabling. So when we're in the low kick, we need to disable the high kick script. So it'll be opponent high kick. And the same here. So let's just go through. And we'll tidy up again and change the comments. And finally, let's do the same for the player high kick. Into the opponent high kick. And this time we're disabling the opponent low kick. So we'll just tidy everything up one last time. And quickly go through and change all the instances of player to opponent. Let's just save all now. We can actually close down these scripts. We'll just downsize Visual Studio and we'll come to the opponent AI and we'll come to the void start, and these balls here where we set opponent is punching left, right, low and high kicked, false on startup. Let's just copy that. And we just need to go through and we're going to come, these are the ones, opponent hit by low, high, kick and left and right punch. So the first one's low kick. Let's just paste all 4 of those in. I'll just delete the on startup from the comments. And then I'll select those again. And we just need to paste those into the other 3 states. And now we can save off the opponent AI. And let's hit play. Let's see where we are at now. So we'll just let it run through.
Round 1. Fight.
So as you can see, we still have some issues. And let's hit play again. Let's see what's happening here.
Round 1.
So we already know we have a problem with the hit sparks no longer being in the correct place at least some of the time. But we also have an issue with it actually double hitting. So in fact, we'll come to the resources now. I don't believe this is what's actually causing the problem, but it is something I do need to change anyway. So I'm just going to find the high kick. I'm going to change attack delay. Let's try doubling that to 2. In fact, we could probably double it to 2 on each one. Let's try that now. Again, I don't expect that to fix the double hit problem.
Round 1. Fight.
So we have certain things working at the moment. Let's just get rid of that. And we'll just see
Round 1.
if we can get the opponent
Fight.
in the wait for state. Obviously that's not going to happen. So let's just pause there. So let's have a look at this. I'm going to come in here and let's just check the wrist. And let's check the toe. So let's clear that. And let's have a look. So opponent hit by right punch. Let's copy this block and we'll come to the wait for hit animations and we'll paste it in there also. I want to make sure that this is actually what's not causing the error. So let's just save that off there. And I should actually say that I have had some problems with this project just recently, hence the delays between videos. Unfortunately, I actually have quite
Round 1. Fight.
an advanced project regarding this. But unfortunately, since some of the updates to Unity, we've actually developed some problems within there. So that is better. So let's come back to the hit by the right and left punch. And we'll get rid of those where they're set to false. I think it may just be calling those a little bit too early. And we'll come down and let's have a look. We'll copy those again and let's come back to the top of the script. And we'll actually paste them into idle. So now we've just got these in the opponent idle and the wait for animations, both of those functions. Let's just save that off. So this is the reason I'm having to code on the fly a little bit now. I will try and go through the whole package and get everything updated and bug free, but issues have occurred. It's just one of those things.
Round 1.
Nothing you can do about it. There's no complaining. We just have to deal and fix the problems as they come up. So I think we'll need to adjust it. I think this has been caused now by the attack delay. So let's stop that there. We'll clear this down. We'll come back to the prefab and let's come back down to the kick. High kick, let's change those to 3. We'll leave the low kick at 2 for now. And we'll come to the wrist. And we will increase the attack delay to 2. Now, I should explain obviously that in your case these may be different values. I'm sure everybody's project is slightly different, so you know, experiment what works within your project. I'm also just going to change the opponents now also. Obviously, again, I'll need to do this for all the opponents, but for now, we'll just do the black robot alt. So let's change those up. And we'll hit play again. We'll see where we're at with this.
Round 1. Fight.
So let's see how things working. Right, the opponent's station with this time, it's on wait. So we still have a slight issue with the high kick. With multiple strikes, but the punches seem to be working pretty well there. I think we've just got a slight sliver of health left. There we go. So as you can see, we're working. I think we'll leave it here for this video. We'll pick this up and we'll try and fix the high kick problem in the next video, as well as the hit sparks not instantiating in the correct place. So we'll see if we can do something regarding that, and then we can obviously move on some more with the opponent AI. But as I said, we'll leave it here for now. As I said, I have been having problems with this project, but I wanted to get a video out, so you may get some more lessons like this where they're not polished and we have to do a little bit of fixing on the fly just because of the issues that have been caused. But I hope anyway you won't mind that, and we'll leave it here for now. So as always, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. I hope to see you next time, and until then, as always, bye for now.